Hello everyone, welcome to PM Networking. Hope you all are doing great. Guys, today in this video we are going to discuss some scenario based network engineer interview questions with answer, with explanation. But I must tell you these are very important questions for network engineer interview because lots of my paid students receive these questions in interview. That's why I'm making this video. So today in this video we are going to discuss four scenario for network engineer. So make sure if you are preparing for network engineer interview, you will watch this video till the end. Here we are not going to discuss only scenario, but we are also going to discuss the answer. What will be the answer? Okay. So guys, first scenario is, let me zoom the topology. And here is the first scenario in front of you. As you can see, I have two switch 1 and switch 2. Both are connected with one PC. PC number 1 is here and PC number 2 is here. IP address of PC 1 is 10.1.1.1. Let me show you the IP as well. So here you can see the IP address of PC 1 is 10.1.1.1. IP address of PC 2 is 10.1.1.2/24. Guys, PC 1 is member of VLAN 10 and PC2 is member of VLAN 20. Switch 1 E0/0 is a member of VLAN 10 and this port switch 2 0/0 is member of VLAN 20. On scenario is, can PC1 ping to PC2? Answer of this question is yes or no. Answer can be yes or no. So if your answer is no, PC1 cannot ping to PC2, that means you are wrong, guys. Here PC1 can ping to PC2. Let me show you how PC1 can ping to PC2. Because you have to explain the reason as well. Maybe interviewer will ask you that can PC1 ping to PC2. If you will say yes, then they can ask you that how PC1 will ping to PC2. Please explain the process. Okay, so understand the process, guys, how PC1 is going to ping to PC2. But few people are thinking that no, it cannot ping. So first of all, understand the answer. Answer will be yes. PC1 can ping to PC2 because you are going to understand how ping will work. So first of all, what I am going to do, I am going to configure the scenario same like this. So let me take access of switch 1. Enable config T and interface F, not F, E 0/1. Switch port access VLAN 10. This port is member of VLAN 10 and interface E 0/0. Switch port access VLAN 10. This port is also member of VLAN 10. On switch number 2, both port are member of VLAN 20. So let me configure this switch as well here. Enable config T and interface range E 0/0 and E 0/1. Switch port access VLAN 10, sorry, not 10, 20. Like this also we can configure the VLAN. So if you will verify, so VLAN brief. By running this command, you can see these two ports are member of which VLAN? VLAN 20. Okay. And on switch number 1 also, if you want to verify, you can run command so VLAN brief. So here also you can see these two ports are member of which VLAN? VLAN 10. Now I am going to configure IP address on PC1. So let me configure IP address. IP 10.1.1.1/24. Let me configure IP on PC2 also. IP 10.1.1.2/24. And now let me show you that PC1 are able to ping PC2 or not. Ping 10.1.1.2. See, it's working, yes or no? So that means ping will work. Now see how it's working, guys, how ping is working. Because when I am pinging this IP address from PC number 1. Suppose the MAC address of PC1 is A and MAC address of PCB is B. PC2 is B. So source MAC will be A, destination MAC will be B. It will forward the frame to switch 1. Switch 1 will check that I have received frame on this port and this port is member of VLAN 10. So I will forward this frame from the port which are member of VLAN 10 or from trunk port. So this port is also member of VLAN 10. So it is going to forward frame from here. When switch 2 will receive it, it will receive on this port on Ethernet 0/0 and this port is member of VLAN 20. So switch 2 will think that this is a frame of VLAN 20. So switch 2 will forward it from this port. When PC2 will receive the frame, it will generate reply. Source will be B, destination will be A. Again, it will forward the frame to switch 2. Switch 2 will check that I have received the frame on this interface and this interface is member of VLAN 20. So I will forward it from the port which is member of same VLAN or from the trunk link. So this port is member of VLAN 20, so it is going to forward from here. When again switch will receive the frame on this port, it will think that this is a traffic of which VLAN? Of VLAN 10. So it will be forward to PC number 1 and this is how PC1 can ping to PC2. Okay, hope this scenario is clear to everyone, guys. So in this scenario answer is yes, and now hope you are able to understand that how PC1 can ping to PC2. Now let me discuss second scenario. Here I am going to close this. Let me close the done. Now let me discuss the second scenario. Second scenario is here in front of you, guys. In this scenario, you can again see can PC1 ping to PC3 and PC2 can ping to PC4. So where is PC1? Here is PC1. This is my PC1 and PC1 is member of which VLAN? VLAN 10. PC2 is member of which VLAN? VLAN 20. PC3 is member of which VLAN? VLAN 10. And PC4 is member of which VLAN? VLAN 20. And here this port is member of VLAN 10 and this port is member of VLAN 20. This port is member of VLAN 20 and this port is member of VLAN 10. Again question is, can PC1 ping to PC3? Means can PC1, this PC, ping to this PC? Both are member of which VLAN? VLAN 10. So see what will happen when this PC will generate a ICMP request. Source IP will be this one, destination IP will be this one. Suppose source MAC address of this machine is A, MAC address of this machine is B. Source MAC will be A, destination MAC will be B. It will forward the frame to switch 1. Switch 1 will receive it on E0/2. It will check the receiving interface is member of which VLAN. So receiving interface is member of VLAN 10. It is going to forward the traffic from this port. Yes or no? It is going to forward traffic from this port. When switch 2 will receive the frame, it will receive on this port on Ethernet 0/1 and this port is member of which VLAN? VLAN 20. So in this scenario, switch 2 will not forward this frame from this port. Yes or no? So here in this scenario, I think PC1 will not ping to PC3. In the same way, PC2 will also not ping to PC4. Because when this machine will generate a frame for this, for this PC, when switch 1 will receive it, it will receive on this port and this port is member of VLAN 20. So it will forward it from here and this port is connected with this port on switch number 2 and this port is member of VLAN what? VLAN 10. Right? So the reason is because VLAN 10 port on switch number 1 is connected with VLAN 20, right? Port which is connected to switch 2 are member of which VLAN is member of VLAN 20. So that is the reason here PC1 cannot ping to PC number 3. But here if question is, can PC1 ping to PC3? Can PC1 ping to PC3? So answer is no. But if your question is, can PC1 ping to PC number 4? Can PC1 ping to PC number 4? So answer of this question is absolutely yes. PC1 can ping to PC4. PC2 can ping to, see PC2 is member of VLAN 20. So it will forward it from here. PC2 can ping to PC3. Yes or no? because here this port is member of VLAN 20 and this port is member of VLAN 10. So switch 2, whenever switch 2 will receive any frame on this port, it will think that this is a frame of which VLAN, VLAN 10. Whenever switch 2 will receive any frame on this port on 0/1, it will think that this is a frame of which VLAN 20. So if PC1 will ping to which IP address? 20.1.1.2. But here also it will not work, ping will not work, because the layer 3 is different. Layer 3 is different. If destination IP address belongs to different subnet, then default gateway is required. Yes or no? So these PC will also not communicate with each other. That means PC1 cannot ping to PC4 also, because here you can see layer 3 is different, right? So no, answer is no. No one PC can communicate with other PC. If you want to verify, what you can do, you can configure the network. Let me configure it. Here, enable config T and see how I will configure the VLAN interface. Range E 0/0 and 0/3. E0/3. These two ports are member of which VLAN? VLAN 20. So switch port access VLAN 20. After that, interface range E0/1 to 2. E0/1 and E0/2. These two ports are member of VLAN 20. So switch port access, sorry, VLAN 10. Switch port access VLAN 10. Done. If you want to verify, so VLAN brief, guys, you can see E0/1 and E0/2 are member of which VLAN? VLAN 10, and E0/0 and E0/3 are member of which VLAN? VLAN 20. Done. Let me configure switch number 2. Here, config T and interface range E0/0 and E0/2. These two are member of VLAN 10. So switch port access VLAN 10. Exit interface range E0/1 and 2. E0/2. These two ports are member of VLAN 20. So switch port access VLAN 20. Done. So VLAN configuration on switch is done. Now let me configure IP address on PC. So let me take you on PC1 first. Here I am going to configure IP 10.1.1.1/24. Let me take you on PC2 now. IP 20.1.1.1/24. PC3. If you are my paid student, then hope it is clear to everyone, guys. If you are my paid student, that means scenario is already clear to you, and explanation, hope explanation is also clear to you. 10.1.1.2/24, and on PC number 4 also I am going to configure the IP address. Actually, this video is for my paid student only who have received this question and who have requested to make video. So here also I have configured the IP address. Now question is, can PC1 ping to PC3? So first of all, let me ping PC1 to PC3. Ping 10.1.1.2. See, guys, ping is working. Ping is working. Then how it's possible? How ping is working? Let me check. From PC number 1 I am able to ping. So this port is member of VLAN 10. Okay, it is going to forward traffic from here. When switch 2 will receive it, it will receive on this interface, and this interface is member of VLAN 20. So it is not going to forward it from this port. From this port, then how it is pinging, guys? Let me check again the configuration. I think there is some misconfiguration. On from PC number 1 I am able to ping this IP address, and this is my own IP address. 10.1.1.2. Okay, let me check the VLAN configuration again on switches. So here, so VLAN brief E0/0, E0/1 and 0/2 are member of VLAN 10. Okay, perfect. 0/0 and 0/3 is member of VLAN 20. Perfect. Now on switch number 2, so VLAN brief. So here, so VLAN brief. Okay, here you can see VLAN 20 E0/1 and 0/2. 0/1 and 0/2 are member of not VLAN 20. 0/2 is member of which VLAN 10. 0/2 is member of VLAN 10. That is the reason, right? And in VLAN 10 we have put only one interface, that is E0/0. So let me correct it. Interface range E0/1 and E0/3. These two ports are switch port, access VLAN 20. These two ports are in VLAN 20, and interface range E0/0 and E0/2. Switch port, access VLAN 10. Now let me verify the VLAN configuration. So VLAN brief over here. Now okay, VLAN configuration is perfect. Now if you will ping, it will not work. Now you can see ping is not working. So there was a misconfiguration on switch number 2. Okay. See, PC1 is not able to ping PC3. So answer of this question is no. PC2 will also not ping to PC4. If you want to verify that also, you can verify from PC2 ping 20.1.1.2. See, done guys. So hope this scenario is also clear to you. Scenario 2. Now let me discuss third scenario. And third scenario is very simple. Can a switch learn more than one MAC address on same ports? So answer of this question is yes guys. See, in this scenario, suppose MAC address of this PC is A and MAC address of this PC is B. So both MAC address, this switch will learn on this interface, yes or no? On this interface, this switch will learn MAC address of PC1 also and MAC address of PC2 also. Sorry, this is PC13 and this is PC14. So it will learn MAC address of PC13 also on this port and MAC address of PC14 also on this port. That means a switch can learn same MAC address, sorry, multiple MAC address on same port. Yes, it is possible. So answer of this question is definitely yes. Because suppose your scenario can be like this also, that this is a switch and this switch is connected with one hub, let's say, and this hub is connected with lots of PCs. So switch will learn all MAC address of all PCs on this single port, yes or no? That means switch can learn multiple MAC address on a same port. So this is a very easy scenario, but few people are saying no in the interview. So make sure guys, switch can learn more than one MAC address on the same port. Let me discuss the next scenario and last scenario. Last scenario is here. Can a switch learn can a switch learn same MAC address on more than one interface? No guys. Switch cannot learn same MAC address on two ports or on more than one ports. If switch will learn same MAC address on more than one port, that will be MAC flapping. So loop can be formed there. So answer of this question is again no. Answer of this question is again no. Okay. So hope this scenario is also clear to you, because switch cannot learn same MAC address on multiple ports. So this is very easy and very common question. I know this question is very common. Okay. So guys, now let me discuss all scenario one by one. Answer of scenario 1 is yes. Yes or no? PC1 can ping to PC2. Answer of scenario 2 is no. Again, answer of scenario 3 is yes. And answer of scenario 4 is no. Hope it is clear to everyone, guys. Now, that's all for today. If you have learned something from this video, guys, please hit on like button. If you have not subscribed this channel, please subscribe this channel. We will meet soon in next video. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye. That's all for today.